What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Invest in Wealth channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a few stocks that I have my eye on this week. As you all know, it is earnings season, so there's some big moves happening in the market. There is lots of value in certain sectors, Canadian and in the US market. We're going to take a look at a few companies that I'm going to be watching this week, and without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first stock we are going to be looking at, I do own a bit of it here. This is goeasy. So they are releasing earnings on August 9th. Current value $132 a share. So what goeasy is, they're basically an alternative lender here in Canada. So when people can't get loans from the big banks, they turn to goeasy. They help people finance certain electronics, furniture, home appliances, things of that nature. So why I like this alternative lending sector, Equitable Bank, EQB, they released earnings a few days ago, I think last week there, and it was phenomenal. They had some great results. Stock is up about 21% the last month. I do feel goeasy will hopefully do the same here. They had great earnings previously as well, and the stock rose about 14%. So hopefully they keep pace with that. But yeah, first stock, goeasy. I'm really looking forward to their earnings. I'm expecting some great results and hopefully make some money off of this. All right, let's take a look at the next pick. Next stock we're going to look at is in a sector that is extremely undervalued right now. This is a Canadian dividend stock. Some of you may be familiar with it. It is Canadian Utilities. So in this high rate environment, the utility sector has been taking a very big beating. This is why I like Canadian Utilities right now. It's almost at the resistance point of about in the $30 range. It doesn't really drop below that, but take a look at this yield, 5.75%. Canadian Utilities is a dividend king here in Canada. They've increased their dividend every year for the last 52 years. So this is a perfect pick for you guys looking just for some income, a dividend stock. And since it's on sale right now, it is a good value here to buy if you're looking for a dividend stock there. So Canadian Utilities is obviously in the utilities and energy sector. They have pipelines and all sorts of other things like that. So some of you might be familiar with their parent company Atco. That's another stock that is on sale as well. If you're looking for something different there, another stock. Just a bit of a lower yield, but in terms for a dividend growth stock, I would go with Atco as well. Taking a look at Canadian Utilities chart, this is another reason why I like this as a buy right now. You do see this very strong support line at about $30 here. So if we just draw this line out, that looks good there. The stock is just ready to touch its support resistance or its support line here. Yeah, I mean, I might pick up a position here, and if it falls near the $30 level, great, and I'll just add more. But you really just can't go wrong in this sector. As interest rates begin to cool off and interest rates start going back down again, I think you'll see some really good growth here in Canadian Utilities. Maybe push up to that $40 level again. So that's about it for Canadian Utilities. Again, just a great dividend stock here in Canada, dividend king as well. So that is another stock that I'll be watching this week. Next on our list is a stock that has just released its earnings last week, and it has taken quite a dip. I'm sure everyone is familiar with this company. I do see some value in this right now. It is Apple. So Apple just released its earnings last week, and investors didn't really like what they had to say. So the stock did drop from just shy of 200 to what we're sitting at today of 178. So this stock is just a quality stock, really. If you're looking for growth, they do pay out a small dividend as well. But if you're looking for a time to buy into Apple, I might start a small position now this week, and kind of, if it does push back to the 160s area, I don't know if we'll see that, but if it does, I'll definitely be picking up a bit more, because for my portfolio, I'm trying to start to get some more growth stocks in it, and then what better stock to pick up than Apple. So hopefully it does dip down a little bit more here. It'll be a nice buying opportunity. So I'm watching this stock very closely this week. We'll see what happens. And yeah, Apple, that's my third pick there for a US stock. Another US company here with earnings August 9th is Walt Disney. So I'm not saying I'm going to pick up a position in this, but I'm just curious to see what their earnings are. Some might say this stock is on sale right now. Others might say it's too overvalued. But come August 9th, I'll be pretty interested to see what their earnings are, and I might pick up a position then. But yeah, I'll be watching this one this week. Not too confident on a prediction here, but we'll see what Walt Disney has to offer here. And a stock for you speculators out there, Palantir just released its earnings. They are up 2.61% after hours. So this will be an exciting stock to watch tomorrow when the market opens. I'm sure there's going to be tons of volume. They just announced that they are doing a $1 billion buyback program, so that's pretty interesting there. I'm sure some of you guys own Palantir. I don't personally, but I wish I did. It has been doing great recently with all this hype in the AI sector. But here's a stock, Palantir. They just released earnings, so this will be a fun one to watch there tomorrow. Alrighty, so that just about wraps up today's video. The Canadian markets were closed today, but the US markets were open. In my US today, I only own about $1,000, but we were up 1%. So hopefully the Canadian market comes out strong there tomorrow. I've went over a few stocks that I'll be watching this week. Hope you guys learned something new. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.